Good morning. I'm First Alert meteorologist Michael Ottavino. Let's break down the forecast throughout the week. For today, it's the first day of meteorological spring. We do see some clouds this morning give way to sunshine for this afternoon. Small chance to see a spot shower or a thunderstorm across the area. That chance goes up to about 20% tonight as a cold front tries to push in from the north and doesn't really get too far south. So just keep in mind that the chance is there. Now, we have that small rain chance to the north later on today into tonight, and then we turn unsettled this week. I'm talking rain chances from about Wednesday all the way into next weekend with a few First Alert weather days in place. Here's that front that I was talking about. Should push a little bit further south as we move over the next couple of hours and into tonight. And looking a little bit off the coast, notice we have a few areas of low pressure that will slowly start to build on shore and increase our rain chances here at home in DFW as we move throughout the week. For this morning, notice we are continuing to see some clouds on our satellite and radar, but we are on the dry side. Here are those rain chances that I was talking about. First Alert weather days in place for your Wednesday as well as for your Friday, as you do have that threat to see some severe storms across the area. But notice 50 to 60% rain chances starting from Wednesday all the way into next weekend, a much more active pattern compared to what we've been seeing. The Storm Prediction Center has highlighted our area for Wednesday to see a threat for severe weather. We have a First Alert weather day in place. Strong gusty winds will be expected, moderate to heavy rain. Severe weather will also be expected, and the same will be true for Friday. All forms of severe weather will be possible. An isolated tornado or two can't be ruled out, especially by the Friday time frame. Our rainfall totals as we move throughout the week. Here we go by Thursday. Anywhere from about 1 to 2 inches expected, and then we could pick up a little bit more as we move ahead into the second half of the weekend. So 1 to 3 inches of total rain, not total out of the question as we move throughout the week with our daily shower and thunderstorm chances. Notice on our futurecast, here's throughout the day for today, mainly dry. We see some clouds outside, a sprinkle or two possible, but watch as those rain chances slowly start to increase. 20% chance if these storms develop, we could see them push in from the north, our Red River counties, maybe 1 or 2 possible into the Metroplex into tonight. Just alerting you to the fact that the chance is there. I want to talk about the bigger threat of rain as we move throughout this week. Notice we see a spot shower possible by Tuesday, but it's after that. Here we go. We have that First Alert weather day in place for Wednesday as a cold front tries to push into our area, sparking some shower and thunderstorm development. Notice by Thursday, more shower, more thunderstorm chances. Another front arrives by Friday, and this will bring us another First Alert weather day in place, tracking the threat for some strong to severe storms. That potential may actually linger into the Saturday morning time frame. Outside right now, though, things are pretty quiet. We are continuing to see a lot of clouds, so it's certainly a gloomy start to your Sunday. Temperatures are mild, upper 50s and lower 60s. And when you step outside, you'll notice the uptick in the humidity as we're seeing those winds building in from the south. So throughout your Sunday, we are warm and breezy. Temperatures later today rise up into the lower 80s. By 1 o'clock, we still see winds around 15 miles per hour. Some gusts up to 25 miles per hour will be expected. High temperatures, though, well above average, upper 70s and lower 80s for your Sunday. We're still continuing to see these well above average temperatures, and these will stick with us as we move throughout the week. Notice the active pattern, 84 by Tuesday, First Alert weather day in place for your Wednesday, as well as for your Friday. Daily shower and thunderstorm chances will be expected. A lot of Texas is seeing drought conditions, so we do welcome the rain with open arms, not necessarily, though, the threat for some severe storms.